Hey guys, Brian here with the wood flooring. Today we're sanding a hand distressed flooring. I wanted to show you a little bit of the process. We just started. We probably do one of these a month. People are tired of the waviness, the way it wears. When we finish, it'll be tabletop smooth, but it is extra money, and the reason why is it's like sanding a normal floor 3 or 4 times. Let me take a look at this. So here we have to sand it first we sand it on the diagonal. Try to get the light. But you can see all the unevenness. All these low areas have to be sanded out. We have to get it as deep as that is. That's how much we have to sand. Most of these lines will be gone. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Okay, so once we've hit it on this diagonal, you can see the really low areas. We have to just keep going over it. It's going to eventually, you see some areas are left, but we'll go over this another 6-7 times. And like every refinish job is, we're going over it, taking it off paper layer by paper layer. You don't want to take off any extra wood, but you got to sand it deep enough to get out the imperfections. That's already looking a lot better. So a couple of months ago, we did the steps and this entryway. You see the little waviness? The high areas wear out faster. Some dog scratches will be gone. And there you have it. From that hand distress waviness, now it looks like a real wood floor. Look at that. You can actually see the real wood. Beautiful. It's a lot of work, but definitely worth it.